Duck meat holds a unique position in human diets. It is poultry, yet it behaves more like red meat. It is familiar, yet often misunderstood. It is traditional, yet still feels premium in modern kitchens. Unlike chicken or turkey, duck has never been fully industrialized in the same way. While duck farming exists, duck meat has largely preserved its identity as a flavorful, rich protein rather than a neutral one. At its core, duck meat reflects the animal's biology. Ducks are waterfowl. They swim, migrate, and rely on fat reserves for insulation and energy. That lifestyle defines the meat. Duck is classified as poultry, but nutritionally and structurally, it sits between poultry and red meat. The meat is darker, richer, and higher in fat than chicken. This difference begins at the muscle level. Ducks use their muscles constantly, especially legs and wings. This leads to darker meat with higher myoglobin content. Myoglobin gives meat its darker color and deeper flavor. This is why duck breast resembles red meat more than white poultry. One of the most defining features of duck meat is its fat. Ducks store fat under the skin rather than within the muscle. This creates a thick fat layer that can be rendered during cooking. Rendered duck fat is not waste. It is one of the most valued cooking fats in the culinary world. Duck fat has a high smoke point and a rich mouthfeel. It enhances flavor without overpowering dishes. Now let's address nutrition honestly, without hype. Duck meat is high in protein. It provides complete amino acids essential for muscle repair, immune function, and metabolic health. Compared to chicken breast, duck contains more calories, primarily due to fat. This is not a flaw. It is a characteristic. Fat is not inherently unhealthy. Duck fat is primarily monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fat, similar to olive oil in structure. These fats support hormone production, nutrient absorption, and long-term energy. Duck meat also contains saturated fat, but context matters. Saturated fat intake depends on portion size and overall diet quality. Duck is not a diet meat. It is a nutrient-dense food. Duck provides significant iron, especially compared to chicken. This supports oxygen transport and energy metabolism. Iron from duck is heme iron, which is more easily absorbed by the human body than plant-based iron. Duck is also rich in zinc, supporting immune function, enzyme activity, and tissue repair. Vitamin B12 is present in meaningful amounts. This vitamin is critical for nervous system health and red blood cell formation. Duck also contains niacin and riboflavin, both B vitamins that support energy production. Selenium is another key nutrient, contributing to antioxidant defense and thyroid health. Because ducks are often raised with less intensive methods than chickens, duck meat can have a cleaner profile depending on sourcing. Now let's talk about flavor. Duck flavor is rich, savory, and slightly sweet. It has depth. It does not disappear in dishes. This makes duck popular in cuisines that value bold flavors. Chinese, French, and Southeast Asian cuisines all rely heavily on duck. Peking duck is not famous by accident. It showcases the perfect balance between crispy skin, rendered fat, and tender meat. Duck confit demonstrates another strength of duck meat. Slow cooking in its own fat preserves moisture and intensifies flavor. Unlike chicken, duck does not need heavy seasoning to taste good. Its natural flavor carries dishes. Texture varies by cut. Duck breast is tender and best cooked medium to medium rare. Overcooking destroys it. Duck legs are tougher and benefit from slow cooking. This breaks down connective tissue and creates richness. Cooking duck requires understanding fat management. Rendering fat properly is the difference between excellence and failure. This is where many home cooks struggle. Fear of fat leads to poor technique. Fat is not the enemy with duck. It is the feature. From a health perspective, duck meat is best consumed with intention. It is ideal for people who need higher calorie intake, such as athletes, physically active individuals, or those with high energy demands. It is also suitable for low-carb or ketogenic diets due to its fat content. However, for calorie-restricted diets, portion control matters. Duck should not be eaten mindlessly. It rewards attention. Culturally, duck meat carries prestige in many regions. In East Asia, duck symbolizes celebration and craftsmanship. Preparation methods are refined and ritualistic. In Europe, especially France, duck represents culinary tradition and respect for technique. Duck is rarely fast food. It resists shortcuts. This resistance is part of its identity. From a sustainability perspective, ducks are efficient animals. They convert feed effectively and can thrive in mixed farming systems. However, large-scale duck farming still carries environmental considerations similar to other animal agriculture. Ethical sourcing remains important. Duck meat also challenges modern perceptions of poultry. It proves that poultry does not have to be bland or lean. It shows that animal protein can be flavorful without processing. In modern nutrition conversations, duck often gets overlooked because it does not fit extreme categories. It is not ultra-lean like chicken breast. It is not red meat. It exists in between. That makes it harder to market but more interesting nutritionally. Duck meat teaches balance. It teaches that food can be both indulgent and nourishing. It reminds people that fat is not automatically bad. It also reminds cooks that technique matters. Duck punishes laziness and rewards skill. That is why it remains respected. So what is the final verdict? Duck meat is a rich, nutrient-dense protein that offers depth, flavor, and energy. It is not everyday fuel for everyone, but it is valuable. It bridges poultry and red meat. It provides protein, iron, and healthy fats in a single package. Duck is not for rushing. It is for appreciation. It does not belong in ultra-processed systems. It belongs in kitchens that respect food. That is why duck endures.